Black holes aren't vacuum cleaners. This one is screaming.
You've been told these giants only swallow every piece of nearby matter. It's a common idea because their gravity is famously impossible to escape.
Listen. A distant quasar is actually pushing material away at 30% light speed.
These extreme ultraviolet winds help supermassive black holes regulate their host galaxies.
Do you think black holes are just cosmic vacuum cleaners? Tell me in the comments. Follow to see more anomalies that prove black holes aren't vacuum cleaners.